Hello guys and welcome to today's video. Right guys, in today's video we'll be looking at the circumference of a circle. So I'll be talking through like 3 examples for today's lesson. Right guys, this is obviously for GCSE like foundation and higher, so grade 4 and 5 on the grade 1 to 9 GCSE specification from the 2015 series. Okay, so for exams from 2017 onwards. Okay, don't forget guys, if you are new actually to drop the video a like actually and subscribe if you're new. Okay, and enable notifications. If you are new guys, my name's Abdallah actually, and I'm a maths tutor and a qualified maths teacher, and I make maths videos actually, and I do private tuition for maths for all levels. Okay, from key stage 1 right up until degree and even like master's levels maths. Right guys, okay, so starting today's video, okay, so we are looking at circumference of a circle. So obviously this is what I call a circle, okay. And we have some names here for like special obviously properties of a circle. So we'll start off with D. D means diameter. So diameter is just a distance from one point of the circle to the other point of the circle. So other point in the circle, and it goes through the center. So the diameter must go through the center. Okay. C is just a special word actually for circumference, which just means the distance around the circle. So it's just the distance around the circle. Okay, R is what I call the radius. The radius is just literally half of that diameter. So whatever the distance of the diameter is, the radius is just half of the diameter. So it's a little rule, guys. So the radius is half of diameter. Okay, and I work the circumference out, okay, using either two formulas actually here. So it's C is equal to 2 pi R or pi times diameter, so pi d or 2 pi r. Okay, so that's how I work out the circumference of the circle. So the circumference is just the distance around the circle. So it's just a special name here of saying the perimeter of a circle. Okay, and then I've got a few more bits that I've put on here. So this is what I call a chord. So a chord is the same as diameter, but it doesn't go through the center. So that's like a little key point to remember. Okay, that's what I call a sector of a circle, okay, which I'll come on to, because a sector means that I can work out an area of a sector. Okay, obviously we will come on to that in the future videos. And this is what I call a segment. So a segment is part of a circle. Okay, and this will all be relevant actually when I look at like areas and like length of arcs, and like perimeters of like segments and so on and so forth. Okay, but we will come on to that in the future videos, so we will not worry about it for today's lesson. Right guys, okay, so example 1. So we've got a circle actually, so it says find the circumference. Okay, so we've got a radius of 5, okay. So the formula here says circumference is equal to 2 pi r. So pi is just a constant actually. So pi is equivalent to roughly 3.141 actually. And then it goes on actually, I think it's 592. Yeah, and then it goes on like for indefinite. So pi is what I call an irrational number actually. So it's a number that goes on forever. Okay, obviously obviously for the purpose of this video guys, actually we will actually be using like a calculator. Okay, because obviously usually they don't usually put like pi is approximately at 3.141. Sometimes they do actually. So if they do actually, then obviously you will obviously base it off the information obviously given the question actually, because obviously some specifications are a bit different to others. But obviously we will be looking at just using like a calculator for this one. Anyway, sorry guys, so R is equal to 5 centimeters, so all I do is just substitute R is equal to 5 in here, so it's 2 times pi times 5, okay, times radius, which is equal to 10 pi centimeters, which is the exact answer. And then putting that into my calculator, I get an answer of 31.42 centimeters to 2 decimal places. Okay, so I've rounded my answer here, guys, to 2 decimal places. Right, guys, example 2. Find the circumference of this circle. So we've got diameter. Okay, so this time we've got a diameter of 12. Okay, so circumference is equal to pi times diameter. So it's pi times d, pi times 12, which is equal to 12 centimeters. Which should actually give an answer actually. I've not put it down actually, but it should give a numerical answer. Okay. All you do is just type in 12 times pi into your calculator, okay, and then it will give you the answer for that. Okay, right guys, example number 3. So this time we are told actually that the circumference is equal to 12, and we're asked to work out the radius and the diameter. Okay, so to work out the radius, guys, okay, circumference is equal to 2 pi r. So to get r in its own, yeah, I would have to divide both sides by 2 pi. Okay, so circumference divided by 2 pi gives me my radius. And remember that pi is just a constant, but pi is just a number. Okay, so we know what c is. We know what 2 pi obviously is obviously on our calculators. We put that in there. So 12 divided by 2 pi will give me 6 over pi, which is equal to 1.91 centimeters. Actually, yeah, obviously to 2 decimal places. Okay. Right, to work out my diameter, I can do it like one of two ways actually. Yeah. I can say the diameter is double the radius actually, so I can just double my answer there to get a final answer. Or I can just sub it into here, c divided by c equals pi d. C divided by pi gives me d, so circumference divided by pi is equal to d. So 12 divided by pi gives me d. So d will be equal to 3.82 to 2 decimal places. So that is how I work out that, guys. Okay, so I hope that was actually like clear, guys. Yeah, so this is how I work out the circumference of a circle. Okay, the next video, guys, actually I'll be looking at the area of a circle. Okay, so I hope that was actually clear, guys. Okay, yeah, don't forget, guys, obviously, yeah, to like subscribe if you're new. Actually, drop the video a like, and also enable notifications. Okay, and yes, guys, obviously, check out, Corbett Maths, Primo's Kitten, and there's like another channel that I've come across recently, it's called Maths Chelsea, so it's a really, really good, like, YouTube channel, actually, so, like, yeah, so feel free to obviously check them out, actually, yeah, and also, yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you're all well, actually. Please stay at home, actually, and please stay safe. Okay, and I hope everyone's doing okay, actually. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye now.